क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? आज बारिश हो सकती है। It may rain today. It may rain today. शायद वह कल आए। He might come tomorrow. He might come tomorrow. आप अब जा सकते हैं। You may go now. You may go now. भगवान आपकी रक्षा करे। May God protect you. May God protect you. शायद उसने ये सुना हो। He might have heard this. He might have heard this. मैं ये भारी संदूक उठा सकता हूँ। I can lift this heavy box. I can lift this heavy box. क्या तुम फ्रेंच बोल सकते हो? Can you speak French? Can you speak French? हमें बड़ों का सम्मान करना चाहिए। We should respect elders. We should respect elders. उसे अब सो जाना चाहिए। He should go to sleep now. He should go to sleep now. क्या मुझे उसे फोन करना चाहिए? Should I call him? Should I call him? आपको झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए। You should not tell a lie. You should not tell a lie. हमें गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए। We should help the poor. We should help the poor. उसे कड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए। He should work hard. He should work hard. आपको डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए। You should see a doctor. You should see a doctor. वह कल स्कूल नहीं आ सका। He could not come to school yesterday. He could not come to school yesterday. जब मैं छोटा था, मैं बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता था। When I was young, I could run very fast. When I was young, I could run very fast. क्या आप कृपया दरवाजा खोल सकते हैं? Could you please open the door? Could you please open the door? वह तैर नहीं सकती। She cannot swim. She cannot swim. क्या मैं आपका पेन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? Can I use your pen? Can I use your pen? हम समय पर पहुँच सके। We could reach on time. We could reach on time. क्या आप थोड़ा धीरे बोल सकते हैं? Could you speak a bit slowly? Could you speak a bit slowly? वह इस पहेली को हल कर सकता है। He can solve this puzzle. He can solve this puzzle. क्या मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ? May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? ट्रेन लेट हो सकती है। The train may be late. The train may be late. उसके पास चाबी हो सकती है। She might have the key. She might have the key. आपकी उम्र लंबी हो। May you live long. May you live long. आपको रोज कसरत करनी चाहिए। You should exercise daily. You should exercise daily. क्या हमें यहाँ रुकना चाहिए? Should we stay here? Should we stay here? उन्हें समय पर आना चाहिए। They should come on time. They should come on time. आपको नियमों का पालन करना ही चाहिए। You must follow the rules. You must follow the rules. हमें हेलमेट पहनना ही चाहिए। We must wear a helmet. We must wear a helmet. उसे तुरंत निकलना होगा। He must leave immediately. He must leave immediately. ये दवाई लेना जरूरी है। You must take this medicine. You must take this medicine. आपको ये काम आज ही खत्म करना होगा। You must finish this work today. You must finish this work today. चोर को पकड़ना ही चाहिए। The thief must be caught. The thief must be caught. हमें अपने देश की रक्षा करनी चाहिए। We must protect our country. We must protect our country. आपको वहां समय पर पहुंचना ही होगा। You must reach there on time. You must reach there on time. उसे सच बोलना ही पड़ेगा. He must speak the truth. He must speak the truth. बच्चों को आग से दूर रहना चाहिए. Children must stay away from fire. Children must stay away from fire. क्या आप चाय लेंगे? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? मैं रोज सुबह मंदिर जाया करता था. I would go to the temple every morning. I would go to the temple every morning. क्या आप मेरे साथ चलेंगे? Would you come with me? Would you come with me? मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहूँगा. I would like to be a doctor. I would like to be a doctor. वह घंटों बैठा रहता था. He would sit for hours. He would sit for hours. क्या आप कृपया शांत रहेंगे? Would you please be quiet? Would you please be quiet? मैं आज बाहर नहीं जाना चाहूँगा. I would not like to go out today. I would not like to go out today. क्या आप मुझे अपना नाम बताएंगे? Would you tell me your name? Would you tell me your name? वह हमेशा मेरी मदद करता था. He would always help me. He would always help me. मैं कॉफी के बजाय चाय पसंद करूंगा. I would prefer tea over coffee. I would prefer tea over coffee. हमें अपने माता पिता की सेवा करनी चाहिए. We ought to serve our parents. We ought to serve our parents. आपको अपने देश से प्यार करना चाहिए. You ought to love your country. You ought to love your country. हमें ट्रैफिक नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. We ought to follow traffic rules. We ought to follow traffic rules. उसे अपनी गलती मान लेनी चाहिए. He ought to admit his mistake. He ought to admit his mistake. हमें पौधों को पानी देना चाहिए. We ought to water the plants. We ought to water the plants. मुझे बाजार जाने की जरूरत है. I need to go to the market. I need to go to the market. तुम्हारी यहाँ आने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you come here? How dare you come here? उसे और अभ्यास की जरूरत है. He needs to practice more. He needs to practice more. क्या आपको मेरी मदद की जरूरत है? Do you need my help? Do you need my help? क्या वह कल आ सकेगा? Will he be able to come tomorrow? Will he be able to come tomorrow? तुम्हें धूम्रपान छोड़ देना चाहिए. You should quit smoking. You should quit smoking. वह शायद ही झूठ बोले. He might hardly lie. He might hardly lie. क्या मैं आपकी साइकिल ले सकता हूँ? May I take your bicycle? May I take your bicycle? मुझे अब जाना ही होगा. I must go now. I must go now. क्या आप खिड़की बंद कर देंगे? Would you close the window? Would you close the window? हम मैच जीत सकते थे. We could have won the match. We could have won the match. तुम्हें वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए था. You should not have gone there. You should not have gone there. शायद आज रात बर्फ गिरे. It might snow tonight. It might snow tonight. वह बहुत अच्छा गा सकती है. She can sing very well. She can sing very well. हमें गरीबों का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. We should not make fun of the poor. We should not make fun of the poor. क्या तुम कार चला सकते हो? Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? मुझे उसे सच बता देना चाहिए था. I should have told him the truth. I should have told him the truth. वह कभी भी आ सकता है. He can come anytime. He can come anytime. शायद वे रास्ता भटक गए हों. They might have lost their way. They might have lost their way. क्या आप मेरी मदद करना चाहेंगे? Would you like to help me? Would you like to help me? आपको कड़ी मेहनत करनी ही होगी. You must work hard. You must work hard. मैं बचपन में यहाँ खेला करता था. I would play here in my childhood. I would play here in my childhood. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here?